everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. And this is a bag I have been waiting for. I have debated and debated and debated about getting myself, I'm trying to figure out how this box cutter thing works now. There we go. Sorry. And there was this bag that I wanted so badly, but I kept on thinking, number one, there was one colorway that came out that I wanted that it's just, I'm never going to get it. It sold out right away, and I knew that if I got it, even if I could have gotten it, it would have been something that was strictly going to be put up on my shelf. And I have yet to buy a bag for just putting it up on my shelf. I'm not saying I'm against that, but I just haven't done it yet. And maybe I'll never do it. I like to think that I buy bags that I'm going to use. And so I couldn't get that one. There was another one that I really, really liked as well. And I just kept talking myself out of it every single time that I could have gotten it. Just based on price and, it's pretty little, right? Just based on price and use. I've seen a lot of people do videos on these, and I just thought, for my lifestyle, honestly, there is no way on earth I would really use the bag. There just isn't. I'm an everyday Joe. I wear t-shirts, I wear tennies, and I am not against clearly using a luxury bag dressed in shorts and tennies and t-shirts, but this one had its own special little issues with it. And it'd be like, for example, if I bought an exotic, I just don't see myself ever doing that for a number of reasons, but...
Is that roadkill?
What?
Roadkill?
No, and I just think if you're going to spend that kind of money, it's going to be a bag that you'd want to use all the time, but do you really want to use a bag all the time when you spend that kind of money? So then I decided on a different way around this to still kind of scratch the itch. And something something came up, and it just checked all the boxes for me. And this I knew I would use, and also have it sit around and look pretty. So what I'm talking about, if you haven't already guessed, it's from Fendi. And it was a Fendi sequenced baguette. And I wanted one in the worst way, but I knew I would never use it. I would never use it. It would sit on the shelf, and I wanted the red one. And yeah, you're not gonna find just the solid red ones, and even if you did, they're super, super pricey. I really liked the pink one. Dale had one, but then she talked about how she had problems with the sequins, and a bunch of people have talked about that. And I really like the purple with the gold inside. But I don't know why. For some reason, that one just wasn't the one for me. But when I saw this was the one. I got, stop laughing, the little baguette in the green. Isn't she pretty? Okay, just look at this. So she's got all these sequins. There's the side. There's the top. There's the other side. This is technically a bag. It has a chain. And then I'm going to open it up here.
What's the little hoop on the back?
Like for a keychain, you can hang it on another bag. It comes with its little Fendi dust bag. And then more of the chain is in here. It is a long chain.
Not a long champ.
It's no, but it looks like it's right now. It's through the little Fendi tag in here. Here, let me get that out of there. Okay, so see, it does have a long chain. So you can actually wear this.
You could almost do a crossbody with that bad boy.
Yeah. The interior is this beautiful lavender, like satin. It's got a big old interior and even a slip pocket. So you could fit your necessities in here. Clearly a phone's not going in here. But man, you could put some cash in here.
Almost the same size as a New York City apartment.
A couple credit cards. Oh, look at the sticker still on here. Look at this. I'm going to pull the sticker off just 1 second.
It'll peel off all the...
No, it's not going to peel off anything else.
Okay.
Oh, I got to peel the sticker off of there. Look at, just look at.
So that means the person that had it just never used it?
Probably not.
Wonder why.
And, because I thought, you know what? If I have, and it's just like a magnetic closure. First off, she's pretty enough that I can, if I just want to look at her, like I can put her over here. And you're just going to see her from all over. And I love the color green. And I have this one. I got to take my purse down here to get this all on here. But I have this little one. And I love it. And I use it all the time. I use it as a catch-all or to put my cards in. A bunch of credit cards and like rewards cards and stuff, and I love it for my purse. And when I wanted this bag it scratched the itch at a time when I wasn't able to get the full bag. And so I thought with this one I can be super careful with it, putting it into things so that it doesn't necessarily get banged around. I can put it up on the shelf and it can look really pretty for everybody to see in my videos. It sparkles. I'm sorry, I'm just enamored with this. I just
Something sparkly.
It's so pretty. So yeah, I was just so pleased. It just checked all the boxes and it got me, it just sparkles. It makes me think when I'm holding on to it that I would just absolutely love one of these in a bag. And I know darn well that I wouldn't take it anywhere. Because I worry about it everywhere. I worry about setting it down because it's all sequins on the bottom. I just worry about picking it up wrong. I worried that I'd somehow grab that. But I don't have nearly the worry or concern when it's this size.
A bag charm.
And I got a really good price on this. I got a really good price on it. I was watching it on Fashion File and watching it, and it was under $1,000. So I think I actually paid more for this one than I did this one. Stop with your chuckling, you know better. And yeah, so I'm just pleased. So what do you think? Isn't she adorable? Do I need another one? No, I don't need another one. I don't need another one. But she's beautiful. She's so pretty. I'm so glad to have her. So yeah, what do you think? If you wanted one of these in the bigger size, would this scratch the itch for you? Do you have any concerns or thoughts on this? I just love it. These are definitely prettier in person than they show up on screen. Well, especially with all the sparkle. But yeah, leave a comment in the comment box down below about what you think. Would this scratch the itch for you? Is this something that even interests you? They never interested me, not on Sex on the City, nothing, until that Minx for All did the the red one, and it was like the ruby red slippers, and that is my favorite movie, and I fell in love with that bag. Now, if I ever found it for sale at a price I could afford at the time, would I maybe buy it at some point? Maybe. Because of the red and like the ruby slippers. But otherwise, for right now, this is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I'm super glad to have it. Yeah, so let me know what you think. I love when you leave comments. It just helps me interact with you all and get to know you all a little bit better as well. If you haven't already found me over on Instagram, you can find me there. I'm at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. Usually put a reel up once a week to show you the bag of my week and what fits in the bag, and then you get to see some of my other SLGs and things like that. Let's see, I put up videos here on YouTube on Wednesdays,
and
Saturdays, thank you. Today is the Saturdays, but it might be a little bit late, or it might be even actually on Sunday, but that's a rarity. I also have a vlog sale coming. I hope to have it posted now. I was supposed to have it done this past week. I just...
Slacker.
No, work was work. And but I'm hoping to have it up within the next week to 2 weeks max. It's not going to be a huge sale, but it's not a super small sale either. Okay, I don't know why you're showing my bags, but none of the bags that you're showing are going to be in the sale. So...
Just showing them what's not for sale.
Oh, thanks.
Yep.
I appreciate that.
I'm here for you.
And, yeah, if you're ever not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Really appreciate it. I'm getting so close to 2,000 subscribers. I really appreciate everybody that's here. Again, the community just means so much to me. Getting to know everybody is so nice, and everybody's always so helpful when you have questions about things. And
or you don't know the names of your bags or the colors.
Yeah, that would be a thing too.
Okay.
Thanks for
Thanks, community.
Out. Yeah, thanks. And yeah, I think that's all for today. So until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
I've decided to name your bag. It's Fiona Apple.